name is Carol Deemer, and I'm with AZ Health Zone of Maricopa County, Walford Extension. Welcome to part 1 of a 5-part series on how to install and assemble your drip system. Whether you are using polytubing, drip tape, emitter lines, soaker hoses, or sprayers, it all starts out the same. Your drip system will begin at the water source closest to your garden. This can be a freestanding faucet or a hose bib. You will need to know if you can water all of your garden using one line or more. This is because some irrigation lines can lose pressure after a certain distance. If this is the case, you can always install a water spigot closer to your garden. So let's get started and sketch out your garden. Now that we have taken the measurements and sketched out our garden, we are ready to assemble everything that we need to hook up to the hose. To begin, you will need a vacuum breaker to attach to your spigot right here. And this is to prevent the backflow of any contaminated water going back into the system. Tighten it as far as you can with just your hand. Next thing that we're going to add is a Y splitter. This is because often we would like to add on a hose bib in addition to having our timer on there as well. So we're going to add that and tighten as tight as you can. The next thing that we're going to install is a female to female coupler to the system. And notice that we also have in here this right here, which is to help prevent some of the water from escaping. Next thing that we're going to add on is called a inline filter, and you want the arrow pointing downward. If you look close enough at your filter, we're going to add that on next. Next thing you want to add on is your battery operated timer. Again, here's our O-ring, and you're adding that on. And we are ready to turn it on to test it. We want to make sure that none of this escapes. We've got it in the off position. We're going to turn this one back on. So this Y right here is going to be on. We're going to turn the spigot on to see if we have any leaks. Now first, when it comes out, it's going to leak here, and that's okay. All right, we are good. So all of these are really tight and secure, and there's no leaks. Thank you again for joining us today in part 1 of a 5-part series on installing and assembling your drip system. Join us next time for the next part. Thank you.